Welcome. In this video I will show you how to turn on power saving mode to save battery on your LENOVO V15. To enable power saving mode, you have to right click the battery icon on your status bar, go to power and sleep settings, and then go to the energy saver, expand this menu, and here you can manually enable it by switching this toggle to the right, or you can set the value of your battery level at which you want the battery saver to start working. You can either select one of these values, or you can select always if you want the power saver to start working once your device is unplugged from the charging cable. And you can also toggle this option to the left if you don't want your screen brightness to be affected by the energy saver mode. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.